Good Friday morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We are on a weather roller coaster. We've had quite a bit of rain in the last week. I want you to go check out the videos that I made last Friday and last Saturday. Check this out. Okay, as you can see, my bush beans and my green beans are starting to come up, and look, you can see it starting to peek out from the soil. So things are improving. I think with the rain that we get tomorrow, we'll see a lot more. I'm getting a little bit more excited. Not as concerned, but still think I might have to do a little bit more work on planting. But see, they're starting to poke themselves right out of the ground here. Starting to see them come up on down the line. Very promising. My tomato plants are starting to rebound. Looking pretty good. Like I said, a little bit of rain does a world of good. Here's a pepper plant. Another tomato plant. Raised bed is doing fantastic. Look at my carrots. They are really coming through good. Got a couple of pepper plants in there. Here's my cabbage. Here's my spinach, and I told you guys it was gonna really explode this week, and it did after that rain. After tomorrow's rain, it's probably gonna get a little bit bigger. So I'll be having me some fresh spinach in the coming week. My summer squash is starting to make its debut, but my zucchini is not. So we're going to watch that in the next week, see how that does after the rain tomorrow, and hopefully it will start to show itself and we'll know a little bit more about what I might have to replant. Okay, so as you can see, last Friday things were starting to pop up because we had rain the week before that. And then we got the big rain on Saturday, which was a huge amount of rain, and we did really good. And everything really started popping. And then on Wednesday, we had expected some severe weather. Check this out.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montana County.
It's the calm before the storm. We are expecting some pretty high winds this afternoon. They're saying that we're going to get gusts at 50 miles an hour, and winds are going to kick up from the north. They said that it's going to make it feel like it's freezing. We don't want that. Okay, we have everything up. Got the truck in the barn, got the tractor under the carport. You can see right now it's 58 degrees and we have 94% humidity. It's showing only 0.31 in rain because it's just kind of come and gone. But we are expecting things to get a little bit rougher. So when I check in with you later, we'll see exactly what we got. This is what we're looking at this morning, guys. Just a quick check. You can see what's coming up literally overnight from the rain today. Okay, it's meeting right on top of us right now. Clouds are moving fast. Here's what the garden's looking like, folks. But I want you to look. Beans coming up right there. Man, they are coming up like crazy due to the rain that we got just since yesterday. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay, Okay, so we did get quite a bit of rain that night. It did not move in until around midnight, and what the weathermen were predicting did not come to fruition. Praise the Lord. We did not get any hail or tornadoes, but we did get some more rain. So the wind is terrible today. It's been from the north, from the south, from the north, from the south, and today it's from the north. We're about 63 degrees, and with the wind it feels much, much colder. I'm going to go show you what 3 bouts of rain has done for my garden just in the last week or two. You guys are going to be surprised at how quick things happen when we do get rain from the good Lord. The water hose just doesn't do it, as I've said many times. So the garden is looking so much better. Let's go check it out, and please pardon the wind noise. Again, please pardon the wind, but you can see it's pretty wet in there. Strong north wind again. But look at my tomatoes, my tomatillos, my peppers. They are all in beans, guys. They have really popped and come up. So excited. So let's move on over here and let's check out my squash and zucchini. Here's my zucchini. It's starting. You can see how the rain pounded on those mounds, but hey, I'm just excited to see some growth. I was getting very concerned because we hadn't had any rain, and the good Lord has blessed us. So this is my squash and zucchini, and you can see the tomato plants back there and the pepper plants, and you can see my green beans are doing absolutely great. A quick check in the permaculture. We're on the south side of the barn, and so that's why you can't hear the wind as bad, thank goodness. But look at my mint, guys. My mint is just going gonzo. And here's our apple trees. Doing good. You can see we added a lot more mulch in here. It's probably about 8-9 inches thick. Gonna try to keep adding to it. Here are my strawberries. Looking really, really good. They're enjoying where they're at. Apple tree, peach tree, pear tree. So as you can see, guys, we have been on a weather roller coaster. It has been a wild week. We've had lots of rain, which we welcome. Probably a little over 3 inches, I would imagine, since last Friday. We've had several bouts of it. It has helped the garden so much, as you can see. I'm very excited about it. We are supposed to be around 81 degrees tomorrow, no wind, which I really hope happens. Sunday, we're supposed to be in the 80s, but the wind's coming back from the south. And next week, we're expecting rain a little bit each and every day. Not sure if that's going to happen. If it does, I welcome it, because the rain that we get right now will help my plants to root very deeply and help us to have a better harvest coming up in May and June. Squash and zucchini usually start to come out around the end of May. Anyway, we appreciate you guys so much, and we hope that you have a very blessed Easter weekend. If you like our videos and you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and just click the subscribe button. And if you want to know when we post a new video, just click that little bell up there. And if you like the video, click the like button. Anyway, we appreciate each and every one of you, our little community. So take care, God bless, and have a blessed Easter.